Hi everyone. Hi everyone. My name is Anna and this is my fourth mini lesson. And for this lesson, I would teach it to first grade. I saw this lesson when I was doing my observation, and I thought that it was really a really great lesson to do, and the kids really enjoyed it. So let me start by sharing my screen. All right. So for the content standard or learning objective, the first one is to know number names and count sequence, and to count to tell the number of objects. For the process standard or math standard practice, it's understand the relationship between numbers and quantities, connect counting to cardinality. When counting objects, say the number names in the standard order. Understand that the last number name said tells the number of objects counted. The number of objects is the same regardless of their arrangement or the order in which they were counted. Understand that each successive number name refers to a quantity that is one larger, and count to answer how many. Questions about as many as 20 things arranged in a line, a rectangle array, or a circle, or as many as 10 things in a scattered line configuration. Give a number from 1 to 20, count out as many objects. For the advancing questions, I would ask something as how many crayons can fit into the box, or how many eggs are in the carton. And so for this lesson, what I would do is I would have these strips of paper already made, and they are just numbered randomly, and some of the boxes are filled in. And then I would tell the students that they could grab, as many as 3 or 4. And what they would do is they would just write in the missing letter, or I'm sorry, the missing number. So it doesn't start at 1. It would randomly start like this one starts at 51, 52, and then they would have to write in 53, 54, and 55 are written in. So they would fill in 56 and 57. So here's another example. Here's 63 blank, 65, and so on, and they would fill in the numbers that are missing. And then when they are done, they would take their number strips that are completed and they would glue them on a piece of paper that they picked out. And this is a lesson that they actually did in a first grade class that I was observing. And then she had the students just glue their numbers strips onto their piece of paper. So the lesson or homework practice that they would do at home, I would just have them grab as many of the number strips as they want and fill them in. And it goes all the way from 0 to 120. And when they finished, they could put the missing links together. So it would be a long strip from 1 to 120. So that's something that they could work on at home. And when the students were done with their piece of paper with their strips on it, she also had them put them in least to greatest order. And that would look something like, here's the 30s, and then 50s, 60s, and so on. So that is my lesson. Thank you.